Hello guys, welcome to the channel Health Tricks and Tips in English. During pregnancy, the body of a woman goes through lots of hormonal changes. There are so many hormonal changes that are going on and they are the reason for lots of your problem, lots of the changes that you will be noticing during pregnancy. So in this video, I'm going to tell you what all are the hormones that will be secreted only during pregnancy, why they are secreted, what are the roles for which they are forming in your body during pregnancy. So without wasting the time, let's get started. The number one hormone that I would be talking about is HCG hormone, that is human chorionic gonadotropin. This hormone is secreted only during the pregnancy, and the core responsibility to manufacture this hormone or to secrete this hormone is the placenta. When the embryo implants itself into the uterus, it divides into placenta and the baby. So this placenta starts forming this HCG hormone, and this hormone then goes into the mother's blood and urine. Now all the concept of home pregnancy test kit is based on this HCG hormone only. Actually, when you are dropping the urine in the pregnancy test kit, you're doing it because the urine at this time will be having the presence of HCG hormone. You're actually detecting the HCG hormone in your urine. If your urine is having the HCG hormone, then it will show you two lines. Everything about this you will find more in my another video. The link is flashing above. You can explore that video to know more about home pregnancy test kit. Okay, so now I will talk more about HCG hormone. This is a hormone which is actually responsible for your vomiting problem, your morning sickness problem, and your nausea problem. So if you are having all these problems during the early phase of your pregnancy, that is most probably in the first trimester, then HCG hormone is the culprit. But friend, these vomiting, nausea and morning sickness are very good sign of pregnancy, very important sign that shows that your baby is developing well inside the womb. Number second hormone that will be secreted during pregnancy is the estrogen hormone. Now this hormone is again secreted by placenta as well as it is secreted by ovaries. The prominent role of this hormone is to help in maintaining a healthy pregnancy. Next hormone that is secreted during pregnancy is progesterone. Again, this hormone is secreted by placenta and ovaries during pregnancy. This is a very important hormone for the well-being of your baby. It actually stimulates the thickening of the uterus lining for the implantation of the fertilized egg. Last but not the least is the HPL hormone, that is human placental lactogen. It is also known with another name, that is HCS, that is human chorionic somatomamotropin. This hormone is exclusively secreted by placenta. It is a very important hormone for the well-being of the baby because it gives nutrition to the fetus. This is also responsible for your tender breast and to stimulate the milk glands so that the production of milk can start right from the pregnancy time to prepare you for the breastfeeding when you deliver the baby. So if you are noticing something liquid is coming out from your breast, it is a very normal thing, and this HPL hormone is responsible for this. So these are the four very important hormones that are secreted only during pregnancy. This is a quite informative video. Hope you have enjoyed it, liked it. Show the gesture by pressing the like button. If you are coming to the channel, subscribe, hit the bell icon, select all to get notified of all the videos from our channel. Let's catch up in another video on pregnancy. Till then, peace out, stay happy, stay healthy.